Hello friends, in this video I will show how to find your external hard drive in Windows 11. So click on start, then search your disk management. Click on create and format hard disk partitions. Now here guys you will see all your drive like CD, and there are some different if you have. So this is the way guys you just find out this disk management. You will see free space and how much memory you have, like capacity and free space. You can search and you can find out the health status. So this is the simple way to find out hard drive in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching.